hair came in this box. See, this custom destroyed this. Sometimes it's like that. I don't know, maybe they thought it's another thing inside. Anyway, this is how it came in this box. Okay, so since custom have destroyed it for us, we're going to open from the side. You can see the edge brush came with it, and when we bring it out from the side like they've done, okay, they help us to destroy the carton. Next band, 2 pairs of wig cap. This is HD wig cap. The wig is inside this dust bag. Show your beauty. So let's open 30 by 4 lace wig. The style is body wave and it's 26 inches. So it's pre-coiled for us. You can see the bouncy coils, and it's 2 colors. So it's burgundy and gray color. You see this. So let's remove this. The construction of the inside is like this. You can see some combs inside, and also detachable adjustable strap inside, inbuilt adjustable strap. This is it on my hand. You can see it. They bleached the lace. See, it's brown color. That's it. Yeah, because they styled it for us already, we don't need to do this. So if you're interested, all information will be on the description box. Don't hesitate to check it out. See how bouncy the hair is. See how it's bouncing? Hey, see that? This hair is bouncing. It is burgundy gray. The wig is burgundy gray hair wig, and it is pre-styled for you. Hey, if you know me, I find it difficult to coil my hair, so when I see any hair that is already coiled, I'm so happy. If you're an OG, you know that this hair is one of those hair that they style for you. Even if you're a beginner, you can do everything with it. Just do easy and you're good to go. So you guys know I don't like gluing my wigs down. I'm going to try as much as possible not to glue it down, but I'll be able to like style it the way I want, if that makes sense. Okay, but stop. In case if you're interested in getting this wig, all information will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check it out. Everything about the wig will be on the description box. Okay, I'm going to start it with you guys. I will show you how you can style your wig without even bothering yourself, especially wigs like this that come already bleached, already styled for you, coiled for you. They are very easy to play with, fun to play with, if I do say so myself. It is one coiled loose deep wave and is human hair. It is 100% human hair. With all that being said about the wig, let me install the wig with you guys, then we'll call it a day. And like I said, all information will be on the description box. And gorgeous, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe, join the gorgeous family. So I'm just going to wear it. Like, if you see from the unboxing I did, I showed everything about the wig. Like, it came with inbuilt adjustable strap and detachable adjustable strap. So because I don't want to glue it down, I always tighten my adjustable strap like this, the two. Okay, this is how I do it, so that it will really lap on my hair. So guys, this is it on. You can see the coil is bouncing. The cap size is medium size, 22.5 inches. But if you need a bigger cap or a smaller, more than this, you can reach out to the company and they will customize a cap size for you. And the density is 200 density. The hair length is 16.28, and their shipping takes 4 to 7 working days. They ship by FedEx, OBS, and DHL. Normally I do put foundation on my part like this, but I find that with gray hair, when you add foundation, it's not fine, it's not beautiful. So I'm not going to add foundation on this one. I'm just going to leave the part like that. So I'll just have to open the part wider the way I want it, and I will leave it that way. And I also want the front of my part so flat. I don't know how you want yours, but I always like it flat. So I'll add enough. You see that this is how I want it, okay? So I'm going to add enough wastic to it. When it comes to installation, hair installation, you do what is best for you. That's what I do as well. I do what is best for me. When I'm installing my wigs, I just do what I felt is best for me. You see the hairline, you see this, they pluck it already, so we don't need to do that. Unless you want to be a little bit extra, then you can pluck it again. But me, you guys know. Sorry the way I'm talking from my nose because I have cold. You guys know I don't have that time, and I'm lazy when it comes to doing that, so I'm not just going to do that. I'm trying to widen my part, so I will like remove some hair from it. Make sure the part is straight. I wanted to go for a C part, but I said no, let me leave it center, because I felt center part goes well with my face than C part. I find that, so that's why I decided to like, okay, let me leave it. Try to flatten the front. They tried because the front is already flat. So okay, see the side I've not done anything to. You see that it's flat. Okay, I'm just doing this, kind of being extra. Yeah. Ah, look at that. I'm taking it gently to follow the hairline. In a zigzag motion. So the lace is out, the excess lace. So because I don't want to glue it down, you will see the logic I want to do. Then the front, I'm kind of going to do like this. Okay, because I'm not adding anything. I don't want baby hair. No baby hair. Guys, I'll just use styling gel to touch the front little so that I can lay down just very light. You see this, that the hair, the lace is so transparent that you don't see it. You don't see the lace at all. Wow. Let me try and even take this back and see, so that it looks as if, oh, my foundation. It's my foundation you guys are seeing here. Let's add oil and give it that shine. Guys, I love this. I don't know, maybe I should break the coils to make it more fuller. Yeah, I think so. Let's break the coils. I think it would be better if we break the coils. Yeah, let's break it. Not too much, just breaking it little by little. I think it looks more better. Yeah, it's more better this way. Okay, I'm looking downward because my mirror is just here. Wow, it's better. Breaking the coils, we just did something great. Guys, that is it for this hair review from Dorsaneehair. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, pardon that. You see, it's very easy to install. I did not glue it down. I just used that gel to like hold the front. Okay, that's all I need to. And see it. And I break the coils. I think I prefer it when I break the coils out. I prefer it this way. Let me zoom out for you guys to see. You can see I prefer when I break the coils. See this. I really like the burgundy and the gray hair. It's really look good together. I love this combo. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Wait.